Hey, what's going on? It's Anthony from S2K. It's been a long time. I haven't had a video in a while, so just want to share you guys on some new goodies I got here. Yep, some Tom's wheels on some used tires, whatever, but pretty good. So I got a whole set. 275s in the rear tire, and the front are 235s, which they should be 245s, but I think they just put a smaller tire in there, which is not that bad. They fit. I do wish it was a little bit more sidewall. These 35 sidewalls are a little thin. And then I also want to remind you that, let's see here. On the car here, I'm currently running the 0406 Sport Optional wheels. So those are coming off. Those are 18-inch rims. In my new Tom's setup, those are 19-inch. So a little of a difference. The rear should be a lot wider. I'm hoping that they'll be a little more flush without, having to use spacers or something. Zoom in here. Yeah. And if you guys don't remember, this car is supercharged and has all the good Tom's goodies. So I got the bumper and the whole body kit, and I got the wheels and the supercharger and all the carbon fiber stuff down here. So yeah, watch another video. We'll probably put a link around here somewhere, or just look for it, search for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to mount these wheels in this really tiny garage because I have so much crap. Yeah. So on a side note, if you guys are interested, I have a check it out, new front end on my Lexus here. Pretty rad. If you guys care, my Lexus IS300. So, all right, I'm gonna try my best to mount these wheels onto the car. I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully, it fits because I just bought them randomly from my friend, and he put these on like a older car, like a LS430, like the gen before this. And yeah. I don't even know if this will fit. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, whatever. So, rims, car, let's do it. So a few things I noticed. One is don't work in cars, so just tight space. I should just move this car out or just do it in the street. Two is that the stock lug nut does not, it fits obviously on the OEM, but for the Tom's, the aftermarket ones, use some smaller aftermarket tuner lugs. Luckily I had some, these aren't the same, I still need to replace them. I have some open-ended ones I have from my Honda, which runs the same thread as the Toyotas and stuff, so that's cool. So I ended up using these. I just had these laying around, so I gotta pick up a set of tuner style lug nuts. But so far we got one on, and then 3 more to go. Yeah. So I'm gonna move the car out so I have more room, because it's kind of a pain in the ass. car looks like right now with the wheels. So looks kind of goofy, especially the front, as I said, because the sidewall is so thin. But I think I got a solution to that. So yeah, it's not bad. Let's put it aside. Not bad at all. Alright, so that's the Tom's wheel install on my 2003 Lexus LS430. And so that ride height's it's a little funny right now. So I have a solution, and the solution is in those cylinder-shaped bubble wrap things. And that's just an install video for another day. So right now, I'm just gonna double check the torque specs on the wheel nuts, wheel lugs, and then give it a good drive. Alright guys, if you like what you see, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace out.